Overview of the workout structure: warm-up, main workout, cool-down. Maximize your 30-minute workout sessions by focusing on efficiency and intensity. Every minute counts, so start with a quick, dynamic warm-up to get your blood flowing and muscles ready. Jump right into your workout with compound exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups that target multiple muscle groups at once, giving you the most bang for your buck. Keep the intensity high with interval training. Alternate between bursts of high effort and short rest periods to keep your heart rate up and burn more calories in less time. Use proper form to ensure each movement is effective, and engage your core to stabilize your body throughout. Finish strong with a quick cool down and stretch to improve flexibility and prevent soreness. Remember, consistency is key. Give it your all for those 30 minutes, and you'll see results. Make every second count. Segment 1: Full body warm-up. 2 to 3 minutes each of cardio, example jumping jacks, high knees, and dynamic stretching, example lunges, hip openers. Before diving into your workout, it's crucial to warm up your muscles. Warming up gradually increases your heart rate and blood flow, which helps deliver more oxygen to your muscles. This process not only prepares your body for more intense activity but also reduces the risk of injury by loosening your joints and improving flexibility. A good warm-up can enhance your performance, making your workout more effective and safe. So, take a few minutes to warm up and set the stage for a great workout. Segment 2: Upper body workout. 4 to 5 exercises, 45 seconds each with 15-second rests. Before starting any workout, it's essential to warm up your muscles properly. Warming up not only prepares your body by increasing blood flow and flexibility but also sets the foundation for good form throughout your exercises. Proper form helps you engage the right muscles, prevents injury, and maximizes the effectiveness of each movement. As you warm up, pay close attention to your breath control. Deep, steady breaths ensure a consistent flow of oxygen to your muscles, enhancing your endurance and focus. Remember, breathing correctly can make a big difference in how you feel during your workout. Finally, adjust your warm-up to match your fitness level. If you're new to exercise, start with gentle movements and gradually increase intensity. For more advanced levels, incorporate dynamic stretches or light cardio to get your body ready for more demanding workouts. By focusing on form, breath control, and making necessary modifications, you'll ensure a safe and productive workout session. Segment 3: Lower body workout. 4 to 5 exercises, similar structure to the upper body segment. As you warm up your muscles, it's important to focus on key areas that will enhance your workout. One of the most crucial is engaging your core. A strong core provides the stability needed to maintain proper form, especially during lower body exercises like squats, lunges, or deadlifts. By actively engaging your core, you create a solid foundation, protecting your spine and improving balance. This not only helps you perform movements more efficiently but also reduces the risk of injury. Remember to keep your core tight and your posture aligned as you move through each exercise. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, maintaining core engagement is essential for a safe and effective workout. Segment 4: Core workout. 4 to 5 core exercises with instructions on how to maintain core tension. Breathing plays a crucial role in maximizing core engagement during your workouts. To get the most out of your exercises, focus on coordinating your breath with your movements. As you prepare to engage your core, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs and expanding your ribcage. Just before the exertion phase of the exercise, whether it's lifting, squatting, or lunging, begin to exhale slowly and forcefully. This exhalation should be accompanied by tightening your abdominal muscles, pulling your belly button in toward your spine. This technique, known as bracing, helps stabilize your core, protecting your lower back and improving your overall strength. Segment 5, Cardio Blast. Short bursts of high-intensity intervals, 30 seconds on, 15 seconds rest. Great job! You're doing amazing. Keep that energy up. Remember, every breath, every movement is a step toward your goals. As you engage your core, feel the strength building from within. You're not just moving, you're powering through each rep with purpose. Stay focused, stay strong. When the going gets tough, remind yourself why you started. You're capable of so much more than you think, and every drop of sweat is proof of your determination. Keep pushing, keep breathing, and let that energy fuel you to the finish line. You've got this. Stay motivated, stay energized, and give it your all. You're unstoppable. Segment 6, Cool Down and Stretching. Gentle stretching, holding each position for 30 to 60 seconds. Now that you've powered through your workout, it's time to bring your heart rate down and relax with some deep breathing exercises. Let's focus on calming your body and mind. First, find a comfortable seated or lying position. Close your eyes and place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing your belly to rise as it fills with air. Hold the breath for a moment, then slowly exhale through your mouth, feeling your belly gently fall. Continue this pattern. Inhale deeply through your nose, expanding your lungs, and exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, imagine tension leaving your body, your heart rate gradually slowing down. As you breathe, focus on the present moment. Let go of any stress or distractions. Feel your muscles relax, your mind calm, and your entire body easing into a state of tranquility. Take a few more deep breaths, letting each exhale guide you deeper into relaxation. Conclusion and tips. Encourage consistency, suggest a weekly schedule. Staying motivated on your fitness journey is key to reaching your goals. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about consistency. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate each milestone. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's a workout buddy, a motivating playlist, or a community that shares your passion. Visualize your success and remind yourself why you started. Keep your workouts varied and fun to prevent burnout. Some days will be tougher than others, but push through, knowing that every effort counts. Equally important to your progress is giving your body the rest it needs. Rest days aren't just a break, they're a vital part of your fitness routine. They allow your muscles to recover, rebuild, and grow stronger. Rest days help prevent injury, reduce fatigue, and keep your motivation high by giving your body and mind a chance to recharge. Listen to your body. If you're feeling sore or exhausted, take it as a sign that your body needs time to recover. Embrace rest days as an essential part of your routine, knowing they're helping you come back even stronger. Balance your hard work with proper rest, and you'll stay motivated and energized on your journey to success.